Well, Congress is working to give the district a hand, and it could make a big difference for many D.C. families. Congress will provide $200 million in federal funding that would help students pay for college, support HIV prevention, clean up the rivers, and offset the rising cost of that federal surge that local taxpayers are paying. News 4's Mark Segraves explains how that money will be spent.
The House and Senate Appropriations Committees have included the nearly $200 million in the first draft of an upcoming appropriations bill. $90 million would go to reimburse the D.C. government for the cost of providing police and other support at events like large protests, state funerals, and the upcoming 250th birthday celebration of the country. While the Bowser administration is happy with the funding, Mayor Bowser sent this letter to Congress asking for an additional $10 million to offset the added cost to D.C. taxpayers for the federal surge, writing, "This higher funding level is also essential to support the ongoing federal law enforcement surge and the associated increased costs to the Metropolitan Police Department, including MPD's work to coordinate with federal agencies, facilitate National Guard deployments, and sustain the MPD overtime required to support the surge." Tomas Talamante, Mayor Bowser's chief of staff, tells News 4 there is also $40 million to fund D.C. tuition assistance grants, which help offset the cost of college tuition for D.C. high school grads. If approved, the funds would allow D.C. to increase the amount students could qualify for each year from $10,000 to $15,000 and boost the lifetime cap from $50,000 to $75,000.
Which is a huge amount of money for families, and that's going to help us help more of our residents on their pathway to getting degrees.
And Talamante explains there's more.
In DC Public Charter, we were able to get 17.5 for DC Public Schools and 17.5 million for DC Public Charter Schools, as well as the 17.5 million that goes to the voucher program. We also were able to get money for HIV/AIDS prevention, about $4 million that we were able to secure for HIV/AIDS prevention. We were also able to secure $8 million for DC Water, which their Clean Rivers project is the huge tunnel boring system that helps keep the Anacostia and our waterways clean.
The legislation isn't all good news. It does contain riders that place restrictions on recreational cannabis, and Congress could add other riders, including changes like doing away with cashless bail or photo enforcement. In the district, Mark Segraves, News 4.
The legislation still has to go through the House Rules Committee before a full House vote, and we are still waiting on confirmation for when those D.C. tuition increases would likely take effect.